Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day to stay fit. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I have not been working out as often as I was. I just started working out again and it's like been 2 days. So I haven't been working out, but I wanted to show y'all what I've been eating in a day to kind of stay fit and to maintain my body and to feel good about myself. I'm not on any diet. I eat what I want, but this is me eating a little cleaner because like there'll be days where I'm obviously not good and I'll eat horrible all day, but there's also days where I'm eating pretty healthy and I kind of just want to show y'all the meals that I eat. So I don't eat like this every single day. Like last night I had Chick-fil-A and maybe tonight if I'm craving it I will have it again. I'm gonna really try to keep the vibe of this video to like I'm gonna be really healthy just to show y'all what I do. I'm not on a diet. I don't believe in diets. I don't think that restricting yourself from foods is the right way to go about it. You should accept your bodies how they are with a healthy lifestyle. Let's get on with the video. So today for breakfast, it is probably around 10:30. I was gonna go grocery shopping. Don't yell at me. I was gonna go grocery shopping, but I didn't feel like going this morning, so I'm gonna eat what I normally eat. It's always a slice of toast with something on it, whether it's peanut butter, plain just regular butter, or my new thing is I've been using vegan cream cheese and everything bagel seasoning on top of it because I just like eating toast. I don't really care to buy bagels because I never finish them. Yeah, so that's probably what I'm gonna have for breakfast, and then my cup of coffee is either one of these two. For my coffee, I love this kawaii coffee. It's the vanilla make. Oh my god. So for my coffee, I love the kawaii coffee vanilla macadamia nut. We also use Dunkin' sometimes when this runs out. This is like our go-to. When I say us, I talk about Anne Marie, my roommate, because we share coffee. And also guys, just to say, if you guys have a Keurig, try not to buy K-cups. Use these little guys. These little guys are so convenient. You can buy little mini filters and put them in. I'm gonna make my, my little breakfast. Okay guys, so here's my breakfast. Some cream cheese on toast and everything bagel seasoning. So the everything bagel seasoning that I use is from Trader Joe's. It's like a really famous one. Like everyone and the internet uses it apparently. The cream cheese that I'm using is the Mykonos vegan cream cheese. It tastes almost like cream cheese. It has like more of like a lemony taste to it. I don't even know how to explain it. Anne Marie, how would you explain this? It has the consistency of cream cheese. It tastes like it. Yeah. I do try to avoid dairy. I still eat it here in my household. I do try to have like vegan cream cheese, vegan cheeses. I don't drink regular milk. This is like my go-to. Or I'll have like an avocado toast with the seasoning on it. Or I'll have the cream cheese and then avocado on top. I just don't have an avocado today. One of my favorite breakfasts though. And then I usually have like 3 cups of coffee, maybe. That is my breakfast for today. Very simple, nothing too nutty. All right guys, so I am on round 2 of coffee. It is 11:40. I'm really taking today real slow. Like I don't have a lot to do today. I have just like some like little things to do here in the house, but nothing too crazy, so I'm taking my time. I probably use about 4 spoons every morning for my coffee, and I don't know why. Why? I placed that one over on the top. I know, and then I forget about it. Like you see now, I'm gonna put this one back. All right, here's my second cup. Oh, it tastes so good.
Come on, why'd you put the spoon in the sink? If we're gonna reuse it, you leave it on the napkin, Franny.
That's what I always. Oh my god, guys. All right, today's gonna be a long day. I don't even know what I'm gonna have for lunch yet. I'll figure it out. It'll probably be something that I normally eat for lunch to show y'all. So now that I've had my toast, had my 2 cups of coffee, I always have to take my vitamins in the morning. And the vitamins that I have been loving so much are the Ritual vitamins. I'm taking the Essential for Women multivitamins 18+, and these are absolutely amazing. Vitamins are so necessary in your diet because sometimes you're not getting the specific nutrients that you might get in a day. You might be missing some nutrients, you aren't getting everything, you know, there's gaps in your diet that aren't fulfilling what you really need, and Ritual is that for me. Ritual literally fills those gaps. So I've been taking Ritual for about a week now and I absolutely love it. So Ritual contains 9 high quality nutrients from D3 to omega-3, which are supplements that can be hard to incorporate into your diet and that you may lack. And what's also great is that they have a no nausea capsule, so it's super easy on the stomach. You can take them before breakfast. I just prefer always taking them after breakfast, but whatever you prefer. They also have a tab in there that always smells like mint, so your vitamins are always nice and minty fresh. And I also really love that these vitamins are vegan, allergen-free, sugar-free, non-GMO, and gluten-free. Ritual is also very transparent about how they make their vitamins, the supplies that go into it. They want to make sure that you guys know everything that is going into these vitamins and they know exactly what you're putting into your body. They don't just have the Essential Women vitamins. They have men's multivitamins, 50+ vitamins, teen vitamins, and also prenatal vitamins. They're also a subscription, so you are going to be getting your monthly dose of vitamins without having the hassle to go to the store and buy them on your own. It's only $1 a day to have 9 high quality nutrient vitamins delivered to your doorstep every single month. So we all know that better health doesn't happen overnight, and Ritual is offering the first 3 months 10% off, so you guys can get a great deal on your future vitamins. So that's 10% off on your first 3 months by going to this link and using this code, and you can also find all this information down below in the description box. All right guys, so I am going to go on with my day. I'll probably go grocery shopping soon so I can make myself some lunch, and then I'll see what I want to do for dinner. I'm kind of up in the air for dinner. I'm trying to show y'all things that I normally eat throughout the week, not just like random stuff. I'm just gonna go with the flow with today. So let's just keep going. All right guys, so I just went grocery shopping. I went to grab some things because my fridge and my everything else was like empty. I didn't know how I was feeling, but I just got what I wanted. I didn't even get what I needed. So so I got some frozen burritos. They just have rice and beans in them, non-dairy. I got this gluten-free, dairy-free pizza, some gluten-free Oreos, gluten-free blueberry waffles. I got some clips for the chip bags. I got these chips that I'm probably gonna eat before lunch. Got some syrup for my waffles, some bananas, and I got some coconut milk yogurt. I got the lime flavor and the strawberry flavor, and then some avocados. I'm not like completely gluten-free. Like I said, when I'm home though, I do try to be a little gluten-free and I do try to cut dairy out. I have a slight allergy to gluten, and that I do have a higher allergy with like dairy products. They don't like affect me that much, but now that I know that, I really am gonna try and like cut out a lot of it. But yeah, honestly, so it's like 3 o'clock right now. I'm probably gonna snack on some chips because I really want chips right now, and then I'm probably gonna go ahead and make lunch, which will probably be some chicken, rice, and salad. So we're gonna crack these open and have this, the jalapeno kettle chips. Guys, these chips, if you like spicy, go get them. I don't pour them in a bowl beforehand. A lot of people say that you should to like control how many you eat. I'll do that. I eat as many as I want, and if I end up eating the whole bag, then oh well. All right guys, so it is lunchtime. It is 3:30. I don't really have like certain times to eat. I just eat whenever I'm hungry. So if it's 5 o'clock and I want lunch, then I consider that lunch, I guess you could say. But anyway, so for lunch today, I'm gonna make myself some chicken, rice, and salad. This is like my go-to meal. I will literally have rice and salad with like salmon, chicken, or maybe I'll make myself like a veggie patty and eat it with that too. So I just got some regular thinly sliced chicken breasts from the grocery store. I'm gonna be lightly seasoning this, and I'll show you guys that in a second. I've got a really like the niftiest thing that I possibly could have ever bought, and it is a rice cooker. Literally, I just push this little button down and it's done in 10 minutes. So this is what I use. And then the salad I use is like the most basic thing ever. It's this baby spring mix salad that I get at Ralph's. I know not everyone has a Ralph's, but that's like the that's like the local grocery store here in LA. But yeah, it's like a baby spring mix. It has tender baby lettuce, baby greens, and selected herbs. So I throw that on the plate with some balsamic vinaigrette. Let's make myself some lunch. I'm starving. Rise and shine. Okay, so the rice that I use is just like white jasmine rice, regular just white rice. I use a cup of that. Throw in 2 cups of water. Just add a capful of olive oil and a dash of salt. Mix that around. Throw the lid on and boom. So guys, I just put the rice to cook. It'll take about 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken. What I like to do is put the package, wash the chicken. I season my chicken with some garlic salt and lemon pepper. Throw that on the stove for about...
The audio work by Stacks of Stamina.
I can't. She talks to me all the time and I don't want her to. She's not even working. She's like sketching me out. But yeah, so I normally season my chicken and salmon with this. It's like my go-to. Throw it on the stove for 10-15 minutes and boom, I got some chicken. So I'm gonna do that. Also guys, fun little tip, if you're cooking chicken, I know a lot of people don't like cooking chicken because they never know if it's cooked enough or they don't know how to cook it all the way. One of the best things to do is covering it with a lid and keeping it on low for at least 5-10 minutes in the beginning, because then you know that the insides are being cooked. Just like a little fun fact about cooking chicken. I'm not a chef, but something I've learned in my days, you know. Cooking. This is what my plate looks like. I have my chicken, my rice, my green salad, nothing too crazy, and then the dressing that I put on my salad is just some regular balsamic vinaigrette. That's what I always put on it. I usually drizzle a little bit on it, I don't go too crazy. And then what I like to do is on my chicken, I've been really liking this truffle hot sauce. Mind you, I went a little overboard a couple weeks ago on this and it didn't end well for Anne Marie and I. So we lightly put this on our meals now. But I like to not douse, complete opposite. Put like a drop of this hot sauce on my chicken. Let me just show y'all. If you guys love hot sauce and truffle, like this is amazing. It tastes phenomenal. But like literally, I put like literally the smallest amount, maybe a little more than that. I'm scared. Oh my God. I put a little bit on and then I'll just like spread it all.
Oh my God.
I can't talk today. So I put a little bit on my chicken and then I spread it around with my fork. And this is my lunch for today. I feel like I went above and beyond for my lunch. Usually lunch is just random stuff, but dinner will probably be either the frozen burritos or the pizza in the freezer. So guys, I also forgot to mention that I drink a lot of water throughout the day. I keep one of these cups with me at all times in my house. Either it's in my room or I bring it downstairs and I just keep refilling it. I normally just drink water. I'll occasionally drink a Diet Coke. I didn't buy any, but yeah, normally just drinking water, or like I'll have like a LaCroix. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch, guys, and then I guess I'll see y'all back for dinner. So guys, it's about 5 o'clock now. It's been like about an hour since I've eaten my lunch, and now I am dousing myself. I don't even know if that's the right word. I'm just indulging in my gluten-free Oreos. They taste exactly like the regular ones. I think I like them better. I feel like they're crunchier and they taste great. So I'm having some gluten-free Oreos. Am's gonna join me. And we're watching the Britney Spears documentary that just came out on Hulu. It's really intense, guys. I guess see y'all later. Gonna enjoy my Oreos, probably gonna eat like 10.
Yummy.
Alright guys, so I just took the pizza out of the oven. I'm having the gluten-free vegan pizza. It's like a roasted veggie pizza by Daya. And Marie's with me, enjoying her little,
It's gone already.
eating her slices as well. We've been here just watching some TV, you know, little girls' night, just vibing. But yeah, guys, I'm enjoying my pizza. Probably head to bed. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the what I eat in a day video. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you later. Bye.